welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see a small experiment. So if you do not know the concept, it's going to be very amazing. But if you know, it's not. It'll be very interesting. So let's go into the video. So first, if I light this candle, this paper cup will definitely burn. You all know that. But what if I pour some water into the paper cup? Is the water going to boil or the paper cup going to burn? So we'll see. Now I'm pouring some water inside. Now I'm lighting a match. So let's wait for some time. As we see, the water cup is not burning right now. But we wait for some more time to see if the water boils or not. Meanwhile, we can see a reading of the thermometer. So the reading is about 40 degrees centigrade. So wait for some more time. So now let's see the concept why the paper cup is not burning. So first, when we light a candle, the paper cup should burn. The heat of the candle is taken by the water. So to burn fuel, that is the combustible substance, oxygen and heat to reach the ignition temperature. But as the heat is taken by the water, the paper does not reach its ignition temperature and it does not burn. So that's the concept. Now we are going to see. Again, we check with the thermometer. Now it's about 50 degrees centigrade. So it's slowly increasing to 60 degrees. Hey guys! Hope you're enjoying learning science with me. Learn in the fun way. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the like button and the notification bell for more fun videos like this. And if you have any ideas you want me to do, please write them down in the comments. Thank you. Bye!